UMP Jong Katura u Saleng Sangma mentaka sengi ka khatlu terik uyayong ula ong baka Sorkar kadiman ai awareness Halor gajing pentrai kam miki Skhim ki Bapher naga benta gajing yo jing mento jong pat ba kani gajing kran kalawan na u Saleng Sangma hadian ba ula yo yaki jing ujor Halor gajing bam pentrai kam hok ki Skhim jong ka central bat gajing do nong jong ki pat ba.
The whole objective of centrally sponsored scheme is to make sure that every beneficiary gets what they are for that particular program. But it seems like the awareness program, which the directive has been given by the center to the DC office to make sure that awareness program is very much clearly given to the beneficiaries, reach to every nook and corner of the villages. But it seems like there's a lack of awareness program. There should have been some kind of a workshop in every block, every district, every BEC, CAC. Then only people will know how to get their benefit from the block, from the sources where they are supposed to get. But even if they're getting also, there are some middlemen that need to be catch. And if anybody is found doing some illegal activity, especially taking the bribe from the PMAY or taking the bribe for the project. One time, you might remember that one of the MGNRGs from that Maurangkaneng block, they had a complaint. So one or two officers were suspended. Even in Garhwils also, because of that lack of coordinations with the engineer and block officers was not there, so one of the officers was suspended. So likewise, if there is anomalies in distributing or any kind of illegal activities that is happening or any kind of briberies that is happening, public should directly come. Now, not only the PMAY, not only the old age pension, everything. You talk about midday meal, you talk about MGNRGS, you talk about housing scheme, you talk about any program that is been launched and given to the beneficiaries, the villagers, they should know about it, and it's the duty of the DC to make sure that every beneficiaries get whatever the sponsored scheme, centrally sponsored scheme is given. They should reach to the beneficiaries. If the DC is not looking after, the public should complain about it. If the block are not looking after the block, the public should complain about that. So this is the way that only we can, unless and until the people are aware of it, nobody will come forward to complain against those officers also or those middlemen also. Till now, we have not received much of the complaint from the public yet. But if we find any complainant coming forward, and then if we receive, we will make sure that DC, who is in charge of the district, and the block BTO, who is in charge of the block, if they receive such complainant, they should come forward and then make sure that FIR will be made, and then according to the rule of law, the action will be taken against those erring officers or erring any individual, those who take the bribe, those who do any illegal things against any productive programs that is being given by the central, because this is a program to make sure that everything goes well and reaches the public. So that's why the rule of law is already placed in that program itself. Even the terms and conditions, everything is there, so nobody can escape. If something goes wrong on the ground, DC, SP, BDO, all the officers involved in it should take responsibility actually.